lot of people teach you, a lot of videos on YouTube that talk about how to deal with tomato hornworms, how to kill them, how to get rid of them. I'm going to show you a way to prevent them. It's totally organic, no chemicals, and you won't have to have a problem with them, okay? Stay tuned, here we go. Hi, all of us that grow tomatoes have had trouble sometime or another with those pesky tomato hornworms. Now there's ways you can get rid of them once you get them, but the truth is, no matter what they tell you on YouTube or anyplace else, they say just go pick them off and kill them, and that's fine. But they are really hard to find, they're really camouflaged, and it only takes a few hours for one to just decimate a tomato plant. I had a big tomato patch a few years ago. I had 30 to 40 plants in there, and in about 3 days time, it cut my crop by probably a third. So I knew to do this, but I didn't get it done in time. Now this is based on the principle that where those hornworms come from is there's a moth, and it escapes me right now what it's called, but there's a moth that actually lays eggs in the tomato plants and in the dirt around them, I think, and those they hatch into these caterpillars. The caterpillars, of course, eat the tomato plants. Now, the best way to prevent them is to just simply keep the moths from laying their eggs there. And you can try, chemicals don't work. There's some parasitical wasps that'll kind of help out to some degree. But basically, I've only found one thing that works, and it works almost 100% every time if you get them in early enough. If you wait till 3 or 4 weeks after your tomatoes are planted, the vegetation's already there, it's too late. You got to get them before they lay their eggs. A lot of people on YouTube talk about how to kill the bugs once they're there, but this is the way to prevent them. I like to do a plant between every other tomato plant. You can do less than that. You can do every 2 plants or whatever. It's not that critical. But a marigold gives off a scent that those moths just hate, and it'll keep them from coming in there and laying their eggs. Now I used to think, oh, that's just an old wives' tale, but I've seen it work. I've seen in the same garden, the same patch, the years that I use marigolds, no tomato hornworms. The years that I don't, fight them like crazy. So I have come to believe, I'm a believer. They work, and I use them every single time now. And there we go. I got a couple over here, got a couple here. I got to go put some in my in-ground garden, and then we'll be hornworm free. See you next time. Be sure to hit like, share, and subscribe. I got more videos on the way.